Hey Matt, your tire's flat.
I know, but only on the bottom. Welcome back to the CSC Garage. In this episode, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to remove and install the front wheel on your RX6. And it only takes a few tools. We're going to be using a 19mm Allen, a 6mm Allen, a 30 Torx bit, and a 50 Torx bit. Let's get started. Now we're ready to get started on the removal of the front wheel. First thing I like to do is get the ABS sensor out of the way. I'm going to use a 30 Torx bit to do that. Just let it hang. Next, I'm going to pull both calipers off. Just let them hang out of the way. I'm going to use the 50 Torx bit. Get those out. And the right side. Now I want to use the 6mm Allen to remove these pinch bolts from the axle. And finally, we want to remove the axle. We're going to use this 19mm Allen to do that. You see there are threads on the end of that, and also a little Loctite from the factory. So we'll be sure to use Loctite. We're going to put blue Loctite on the caliper mounting bolts as well as the axle when we reinstall it. When we reinstall, it's always a good time to add a little bit of lubrication. We'll put some grease on that axle as well. Once we have the axle out, we can go ahead and remove the wheel. There is a spacer on the left side. It's got kind of a beveled edge. That beveled edge faces the fork. So it's gonna go in like this. The right side doesn't have a spacer. The shoulder on the axle actually serves as the spacer. You also notice this left side has the ABS pickup on it. And that's what the right side looks like. And to reinstall the wheel, we simply reverse the process and make sure we torque things down correctly. I'm going to torque this to around 40 foot-pounds. And then the pinch bolt somewhere between 15 and 20 foot-pounds. Not too much, probably closer on the 15 side. Doot, doot, doot. And 25 to 30 on the brake caliper mounts. And finally, maybe 10 foot-pounds, if that. 7 to 10 foot-pounds on that small mounting screw. Thanks for joining us once again at the CSC Garage. I enjoyed showing you just how easy it is to remove and reinstall the front wheel of your RX6. We're going to continue making these tech videos for the RX6 and all of our models, so stay tuned in. Be sure you're subscribed, comment, ask any questions you want. What other services would you like to see on this model in particular? Let us know. And until next time, enjoy the ride.